Hey guys, welcome to our channel The Random Explorer. I am Pranali
And this is Harsh.
and here we are today to share our experience about the Singh Party Hotel which is located in Goa. We are new to this content creating and blogging stuff and this is going to be our first video. Basically we have started this channel to just share our experience about wherever we travel because we get lots and lots of people asking us about our stay and about the way we travel and everything. So we thought that why not share this with every one of you out there.
So basically, whenever we travel, we try to find a unique thing about that place or any unique hotels that they have, which we cannot experience anywhere else apart from that place. And yeah, also we try to maintain our budget as well, so it might help you guys as well.
So here we are today to share our experience about the Singh Party Hotel which is located in Goa.
And the unique thing about that is it's India's first party hotel. That means they provide you disco lights in every room. They also have a very good surround sound system, surround sound music system, and all the rooms are soundproof. So you don't have to worry of your neighbors that they'll be disturbed. You can just blast the music and party all the night.
So in this video you will see all the details about our stay. We will give you the room tours, give you the food options, indoor activities, outdoor
In
stays.
short, we'll try to cover all the possible things that we can.
Perfect.
She likes to speak a lot, so I'm here because so that you guys don't feel bored.
Okay. So let's get started and first we'll give you the room tour, and actually due to COVID times everything was quite shut, like the swimming pool, outdoor sitting areas and everything, but we visit this hotel every year when we travel to Goa. So from our previous visits also we'll show you how exactly the place looks like.
Because we like to party in our own space.
Yeah. So first enjoy the video and check out the room tours and everything about the photos of the stays from our previous visits and all. And then we will give you all our personal experience, how it is, when to book the hotel, what is the price range and everything. So let's get the video started. So this is the main entrance of the Singh Party Hotel. It is located at Cinquarium Beach. It is near to Condolim Beach. This is how their entrance looks like. They have ample of sitting arrangements literally everywhere. This is the nightclub area. On the right side is the nightclub, and outside there are VIP lounges, and this area is accessible to everyone but on chargeable basis. This is their open bar area. Now let me show the hotel. This is the entrance of the hotel. There are cute cabanas set up and pool and a jacuzzi. This is from a previous visit. Due to COVID, everything was really shut, like the property was not very well maintained on the outer front. But and in usual days it is really very beautiful, guys, so it is worth visiting. Like we visit this place every year, so y'all can judge by that. And this is the hotel, and this is their reception area. This is the message wall, and everyone has left their own messages and signatures for the hotel, and like just a remark of you. So now let me walk you all through the rooms. We stayed at the party suite room. Hey Harsh. This is their luggage area, and as you walk inside, on the right is the bathroom. There is no bathtub, just a shower. This is the cupboard. They have a mini fridge as well, and they provide 2 mineral water bottles every day. This was the mini bar area, but due to COVID they have removed everything. This is how exactly the room looks like. This is the main living area. Those are the party lights. I'll show you all later in the video. You all can see the night view also. This is our bedroom. Hello. Now let me show you all the outer area. This is just wow. We stayed on the 4th floor and y'all can see the view. It's really amazing. the night view of the cabanas and all the light arrangements, it is just wow. Surrounded by greenery. So this is the night setup of the room. The disco lights that I showed y'all. This surely gives the vibes, right? Let us know in the comment section which room did y'all like. Now this is the party room from a previous stay. All the amenities and everything is exactly the same, guys. Only the difference is about the carpet area. So as per your convenience, you all can book the room. So now we have added few pictures and everything from our previous stay. So check it out and don't forget to watch the end of the video for our personal review. So guys, we just hope that you enjoyed the videos and photos of our stay, and now we'll give you the overview of the hotel and everything. Actually, this hotel was introduced by one of our very close friends, and we are really very thankful for that. Every year we visit Goa and we make sure to spend at least a day or two at the Singh Party Hotel. So Singh Party Hotel actually has two category of rooms only. One is the party room and other is the suite room. Party room is for a couple, or if you all are traveling like two couples or such, then you all can book party rooms. If you all are in a larger group, supposedly 3 couples or as such like a family or cousins or anything, then I would say that book at least one suite room and another party room, because you all can assemble at one room and enjoy. Only the size is different of the rooms. Rest all the amenities and everything is just the same.
Oh yeah, and I forgot one thing to mention. Stags are not allowed in hotels.
Yeah, actually the stags are not allowed in the hotels. So
sorry guys.
yeah, you all can't visit.
You need to have a partner with you.
Okay. So let's give them a view or the gist, like what we personally love about the hotel. So first starting with you, what do you love?
I love that I can party at my own pace without worrying of dressing up and all the casual clothes, smart casuals and boots and shoes and all those things, waiting for you to get ready. Then we can go out and enjoy. It's like we can just enjoy at our own, being in our own comfortable clothes, being and at our
no
own
need
space.
to dress up.
Yeah.
Just
And at our own pace.
Yeah.
So that's the
Okay.
main highlight of my stay over in the Singh Party Hotel.
Okay, what I like is that they have their own nightclub also. So if you all want to get dressed up like me, you all can visit for the few hours in the nightclub. And if you all are staying over there, then it is free, right? It is complimentary.
It's complimentary.
For outsiders, you'll have to pay and go to the club. And this thing is there, like mainly whenever we visit Goa, we end up spending a lot on entry fees and everything. So if you are staying in this hotel, then even the nightclub comes complimentary. So you all can enjoy for few hours in the club and then again get back to your room and enjoy, like Harsh said.
And another thing, I tend to get more hungrier as the night goes on.
Yeah.
So they provide 24/7 food options. You get all the meals, all the snacks, everything.
Yeah, they have a separate midnight menu option. So it is quite comfortable for all the people who love to eat food during midnight.
And for the people who just want to sit and relax, they have very good ambience. Like they have a very good swimming pool, a long one where you can take a swim endlessly. Then they have cabanas. And
the cabanas are really cute, guys. If you all are sitting over there, you all can really enjoy a lot. Like even during the daytime, just sit over there and enjoy some of the games and anything.
And
Even
one
they have,
open jacuzzi.
yeah, even they, I was about to tell that they have one open jacuzzi as well. So that is also very nice. Yeah, we really love that. And one more thing, we stayed even at the Singh Pride, which is their other property, and the highlight of that property is that they have rooftop jacuzzis. Like there were 4, right? There were 4 jacuzzis. There's the infinity pool over there. That is also amazing. So just wait for our video to come on that property as well. Anything else? Any cons like you feel to discuss?
I don't know if it was a con or not, but there was something, we felt like there was something missing. Maybe mostly it might be due to COVID reasons,
I
like
guess,
because
yeah, because
swimming
the
pools
cabana-
were closed, the cabanas were closed, so you know.
Yeah,
But
so
not as
maybe,
such.
yeah, maybe just because even they were running very low on staff, hardly
Exactly.
3-4 people were there. So maybe due to that, we just felt something was missing. But rest everything was same. The party room are still the same and they are fab.
Let's see. We'll next time when we visit, we'll see if it was genuine.
Yeah, correct. And one more thing I would like to say over here, Goa has started Zomato, and y'all can get food delivered at any place and any location.
Not only Zomato, okay, Swiggy is also there.
Yeah, Swiggy, Zomato. So y'all can order food anytime, anywhere. So even if we were staying in the hotel and due to the COVID times, it was not practically possible for us to go out every time. So we used to just see the Zomato reviews and everything, and we used to order the food at our hotel only. And yeah, we will be making one more video on the precautions that we need to take during the COVID times. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon so y'all don't miss that video as well. And now coming to the overview, rates and everything. Would you like to share?
So on an average, the party room cost around 3 to 4,000
Yeah.
per night, and you can book it. Mostly we get a very good deal on GoIbibo, but
Y'all can even book
Yeah.
it directly.
Yeah, that's
The rates are mostly the same with the GoIbibo and if y'all book directly. But yeah, it is just our research that we have compared mostly all the sites before we book at any of the hotels. So we felt that GoIbibo is the cheapest one when it comes to booking hotel in Goa.
correct.
And best time to book?
Maybe a 1 month prior. It's not
Yeah.
not such a.
Yeah, y'all can book anytime, mainly month prior or just 20 days or something. So yeah guys, that's it from our side. I just hope that you'll like our experiences, and this is like we are really new and we are just trying to give all the information possible. We are really trying to be very transparent whatever it is. So we would conclude by saying that we are really new to this stuff and we really don't know still the camera angles and where to see and everything. But we are trying our level best. Hope we'll improve in future. And to see more of our videos and really motivate us, please support us. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Like everybody says, like, subscribe, press the bell icon.
Yeah. Thank you guys. See you
Thanks.
from the Random Explorers. Later size of the room differs. So if you all are
So there's a link for the subscribe.
no, there is not a link. We have not yet uploaded.
No link. Sorry guys. With the video and
So first enjoy